Good morning, students. We have started discussing about the chemical properties of metals, and already we have discussed about the reaction of metals with oxygen. Now today we will discuss about reaction of metals with water. So metals react with water in different ways. Most of the metals react with water to form either hydroxide, some form oxide also, along with liberation of hydrogen gas. But different metals react with water in different forms like cold water, hot or warm water, and steam. So now we will discuss about the different cases in which different metals are reacting with water in different forms. We have already discussed about the metal activity series, and we know the two metals which are up in the activity series, that is sodium and potassium, they are highly reactive. So sodium and potassium react vigorously with cold water to form hydroxide and liberate hydrogen gas. So following is the given equation for the reactions. Now second case, metals like zinc and magnesium, they react with hot water. Even they can react with steam. Product will be formed very fastly when they will react with steam. So metals like zinc and magnesium react with hot water to form metal oxide and liberate hydrogen gas. And following are the equations for the given reactions. Now some metals like iron and aluminium, they are very less reactive towards water. Very less means they react with water, but that may take very long time. So they can react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. This can be observed within a short time. So this will be the reaction. Iron will form iron oxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas, and aluminium will form aluminium oxide with liberation of hydrogen gas. And some noble metals, that is least reactive metals, are there like gold, silver, copper. They don't react with water in any condition, neither cold nor hot, or not even with steam. So these examples of different metals and how they react with water to form different types of products. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.